Hello everyone, today I'm going to have a very important video for everyone. I'll show you how to disable a harmful setting that can change all the settings on your smartphone. It concerns the collection of information from all apps. The thing is, there are some pre-installed apps when you buy your smartphone. They're system apps and are designed specifically to collect information from any app and send it to developers for analysis. So, watch the video to the end, and be sure to check if you have this app, because not all smartphones have it, but most do. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. To do this, you need to go to the standard settings and scroll down until you find privacy protection. Look, there's privacy protection. This is the wrong line, and it won't help us. We need privacy protection. Click here. And there's a special permission here. If you read below, it says that we should control these settings ourselves and grant certain permissions only after we've decided for ourselves whether to grant them. Go here. And look, there's a setting for changing system settings. Click it. Various apps are loading here, which may have been granted these permissions. The first thing you need to do is find Analytics. This is a system app. Look, if you can't find it, click the three dots again, show system processes or apps, and search again. It might not actually be here, but check. And if you go here, this slider will be enabled, and it allows changing system settings without your knowledge. That is, for example, you disabled tracking somewhere, or tracking or monitoring for another app, but this app itself re-enables the permissions you denied. Of course, go ahead and disable this slider, and your phone will be more secure. No one will change anything without your knowledge. It's a good idea to do this on every phone to increase your privacy and overall security, and to reduce the amount of information being shared with who knows where and who knows who.